Hey guys, agenda video for day 3, actually day 13 if you want to count the first 10 days that we were out of school. April 2nd. Hopefully you guys are getting all these assignments turned in for all your classes, and hopefully you are watching these agenda videos because these are very important. I do go over a lot of things in these videos, so that way you know what to do, how to do, and everything like that. So science for today. Make sure you are looking at these, looking at the stream screen, super important. I'm going to be setting up a Zoom meeting for every Friday from now until we come back really. You don't have to go in every Friday. However, it is going to be set up for 11 a.m. every Friday. There will be a message on this stream screen that'll show exactly the password and all that kind of stuff. All right, so make sure you're looking at that. Today we're going to go into classwork to look at our closure schedule. So this is actually your screen that you're seeing. I did set up my own Google Classroom on a different email account, so that way I see exactly what you guys are seeing, so I know how things are working on your end. Okay, so you're going to click on the schedule. We're going to go down to day 3. Day 3 is April 2nd. That is today. So you don't have anything to turn in today. Okay, today is all notebook stuff. Okay, you are going to go in and we are going to do page 85, 86, and 87 in your notebook. You can be working on a plant project that I did post already. If you want to look at that, that is not due until later. But you can, if you have time to do that today, you can do that as well. Okay, make sure all of your things are glued in before we go over it. I will be doing one more video for you today, and it is on the PowerPoint that I created. So that way it's easy for you guys to go through your notebook and know exactly how to write it, okay? Write your notes. So if we go back to your classwork, you will see your blank notebook pages are here, okay? If you want to go back into your textbook, you can. That's also there. I'm going to actually go into mine because it won't show your notebook pages until the day of, and I do our videos a little bit in advance, okay? So if I click on classwork and I go down to notebook PowerPoint pages, okay? All of these are scheduled to come out on specific days. So you have day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. So these won't come up on your page, but they are on my page. So I can kind of show you where they're going to be, okay? So day 3 PowerPoint. This PowerPoint is with your notebook pages broken down for you and how you need to put them in your notebook. To see more explanation of the pages, make sure you're looking at the video that you're obviously looking at, right? Looking at next. So if you click on that, it'll bring up Google Slides here. And I really suggest you going into Present or watching the next video, because the next video will actually really explain what you need to do in your notebook. Okay? I hope everyone's having a great day. If you have any questions, make sure you comment on this specific video, because I will be able to comment right back. Okay? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.